In these problems, we are converting between units of volume. So cups, pints, quarts, gallons. These are US customary units, so that other system we use, not the metric system like the rest of the world uses. And these can be a little confusing sometimes. The facts are sometimes a little hard for us to remember. So luckily, they've given us a chart here with the facts. And we can use these facts to know whether we're going to multiply or divide. Our first problem is we have 6 quarts and we want to convert it to pints. So I'm going to find the fact that has quarts and pints. And here I see 1 quart equals 2 pints. Okay. Now, to go from quarts to pints, I go from 1 to 2. That's multiplying by 2. The other direction, from pints to quarts, is going to be the opposite of multiplying by 2, which is dividing by 2. In our problem, we're going from 6 quarts to some number of pints. So we're multiplying by 2. So this is going to be 6 times 2 equals 12 pints. Okay. Our next one is going from cups to pints. So let's find that relationship. Here it is. It says 1 pint equals 2 cups. So if you're going from pints to cups, you're multiplying by 2. And if you're going from cups to pints, you're doing the opposite. You're dividing by 2. We're starting with cups, so we're going from cups to pints. So this is going to be 4 divided by 2, and this is 2 pints. So 4 cups is 2 pints. All right, let's try another set. So in this first one, we have fluid ounces, 24 fluid ounces, and we want to go to cups. So let's find that fact up here. It says 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. They say fluid because there's another ounce that's in weight, so it gets confusing. So when we're talking about volume of liquids here, we're talking about fluid ounces. So 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces. So we're multiplying by 8 in this direction, and we're dividing by 8 in this direction. So what direction are we going in the problem? Well, we start with fluid ounces. So we're starting over here and going back to cups. So we're dividing by 8. So this is going to be 24 divided by 8. So that is 3 cups. All right, and the last one says 8 gallons equals how many quarts? So up here it says 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So let's write that fact out. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So here in this direction we're multiplying by 4, and in this direction then we're dividing by 4. And we're starting at gallons and going to quarts. So we're starting over here on the left and going to quarts. So we're multiplying by 4. So this is 8 times 4. So that's 32 quarts. So that's a little bit of work in converting between units of volume with these US customary measures.